Hi, welcome to Chewtube. Today I want to talk about two chopping techniques. One is how to chop an onion and the other is how to mince garlic. Both of these may be very basic to some of you, but at the same time, if you have the right technique down, it can really save time in the kitchen. You want to take your onion and first slice it in half. Then you peel the onion, layers. And it's useful to have a bowl on the side because that will serve as your garbage can. And you'll also notice my cutting board has a wet cloth underneath, and that's useful because it prevents the board from sliding. You're starting with 1/2. Make sure you place it like this, and then I put my palm on top and I slice across. Let me just show you that basically has these layers now in it with one end intact. Then I cut vertically. I'm using my bear claw, which again is very useful because you don't want to cut off your fingers. When you slice and dice in the kitchen, you definitely always want to use your bear claw. And when I teach children, I always teach them the bear claw first. So I'm making some vertical slices, and you can see that this is already coming apart. That's fine. And then you just want to make the other slices. So when you transfer to a bowl, you want to use the back of the knife to scrape. This way you're not dulling the blade. So here we have 1 clove of garlic, and I'm going to take the skin off first. I'm taking the knife, pressing against it, and then the peel can come right off. And then I'm cutting the edge. Bear claw again. You can see one tip of my blade is on the cutting board. I'm just lifting. You can go back and forth a few times.